All right. Nanny needed a new doorbell.
You got it? Good job, Bill.
Of course, Cliff has to help. He loves helping. I didn't realize he was playing with the electrical socket, but it was sealed off. Just said it was safe. You got it?
What you got?
You got it? Jumped.
Make a phone.
Okay, yes. That's your earphones. Oh my goodness, you got honey. Oh.
A toy.
It's a toy, I know. Yeah. Okay. Okay. He stays right there with his pop everywhere he goes. He loves those tools. He's going to work on this bush. We actually lost that socket wrench up there in that bush. We finally found it. More working on the bush. He left something in the car, only we lost it. He just thought it was in the car.
Nice work, Cliff. Say good job, honey.
Good job. You want to press it now, Juniper?
You can reach it, huh? All right.
I'm good.
Okay, let me pick up the tools. And y'all keep dropping stuff everywhere, Gina.